Look here, folks. We've got our little spot check thermometer from Butcher Barbecue. We've got our meter probe, our Heath Riles competition barbecue rub. There it is right there, folks. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I had to put it out in a ingredients little container there to show y'all how good that looks. Look at here. Look at that right there, folks. I can just smell it. And we got our mustard. And we got our tri-tip. There we go. Y'all get ready. There's the tri-tip, folks. You can notice down there in the bottom the fat cap. There's the fat cap. We're gonna leave the fat cap on. So now let me show you what we're gonna do next. That's enough. So I just put some kosher salt. Now I'm gonna come back with some cracked black peppercorn. So now I got my black cracked peppercorn and my kosher salt spread evenly. I'm gonna come back with my Heath Riles competition barbecue rub. So folks, let me show y'all why I use this big old prepping bowl right here. Forgive my kitchen, I'm cleaning right now and going through some stuff that I found in some cabinets and trying to get it clean. But look how even my barbecue rub is on my tri-tip. All the way around the edges, you can see. So I have a nice, even, seasoned tri-tip. We're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna start a slow cook. Try to see if we can get the nicest and juiciest tri-tip steak to date. We got our meter probe in, folks. We've got our other cell phone that's gonna do the handoff through Wi-Fi so we can monitor it while we work today. We got our competition barbecue rub nice and evenly over it, the whole tri-tip. There's our little docking station for our meter port. And look, there's the rest of our seasonings we're gonna use to make a sauce. There we go, folks. Y'all ready? Let's get this cooking started. We got our tri-tip in. We got our Taylor thermometer so we can gauge the internal temperature of the oven. There's a backup. There we go. We're ready to look at that, folks. We got our Brussels sprouts. We got the flat side caramelized, which is the Maillard reaction. It's the caramelization of the proteins and the sugars to give you that enhanced flavor. Check that out, folks. So you know they're gonna be good. Oh, folks, this is good. Wow. Don't forget, look up some of Mr. Heath Riles' competition barbecue rub. And I also used the Cajun Creole garlic butter to cook my Brussels sprouts. Look how good they look. awesome. Cajun's tri-tip. Gotta try it. Get you some Heath Riles barbecue rub. Take your choice. They're all good. See ya. We're gonna wrap our tri-tip into some foil, let it cool down, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight in the refrigerator, and we're gonna eat it tomorrow. We got a little bit of it now, as you can see. Look how good it looks. It's gonna be even better tomorrow.